In this video, I'm about to compare Google Translate and Italki to see their pros and cons. The pros of Google Translate include its ability to quickly translate text, speech, and images across numerous languages, making it a versatile tool for immediate communication. It's free to use and available on multiple platforms, providing instant translations that can be helpful for travelers and casual users. Google Translate also features a conversation mode for real-time dialogue between speakers of different languages. The cons of Google Translate are that it can sometimes produce inaccurate translations, particularly with idiomatic expressions or complex sentences, leading to misunderstandings. It lacks context and cultural nuances, which are crucial for effective communication. Additionally, it doesn't offer structured language learning or practice opportunities. The pros of Italki include its focus on personalized language learning through one-on-one lessons with native-speaking tutors. It offers a wide range of languages and flexible scheduling, allowing learners to tailor lessons to their specific needs and goals. Italki also promotes conversational practice, helping users improve their speaking and listening skills in a more immersive environment. The cons of Italki are that it typically requires payment for lessons, which can be more expensive than free translation tools like Google Translate. The quality of tutors can vary, as learners must choose their own, and finding the right match may take some time. Additionally, it may not be suitable for complete beginners who need structured courses. Choosing between the two depends on your goals. Google Translate is ideal for quick translations and immediate communication, while Italki is better for those seeking personalized language instruction and conversational practice with native speakers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.